creamy, fudgy, nutty, and super nutritious. Is there anything better to break your fast with?
In the month of Ramadan, it's so important to break your fast with something healthy like dates and bananas and nuts. I just blend it all together and make a banging banana, date and almond smoothie. Of course, for this you need a blender.
Let's start off with the bananas.
I freeze my bananas for smoothies because I like my smoothies to be cold.
1 banana will make 1 glass serving.
I'm putting in 3 pitted dates, and these are Palestinian medjool dates, which are extra plump, fat and sweet.
Then put in a handful of nuts. I'm using almonds, but peanuts or cashews also taste really good with this. Just be sure they are not salted. Finally, about half a glass of milk for a thick smoothie. You can use plant-based milk or even water. Whiz that up until all the bits are fully blended. You don't add any sugar to this because there's plenty of sweetness in the bananas and dates. Now it's ready to serve, just in time for iftar.
And that's my banging banana, date and almond smoothie.